something is important enough, you did it even if the odds are not in your favor. If some if something is important enough, you should try even if the probable outcome is failure. If you get up in the morning and think the future is going to be better, it is bright day, otherwise it is not. Life is too short for long-term grudges. If you are trying to create a company, it's like baking a cake. You have to have all the ingredients in the right proportion. It's okay to have your eggs in one basket as long as you control what happens to that basket. Great companies are built on great products. I think it matters whether someone has a good heart. It will never be happy without having someone. Going to sleep alone kills me. I will never. Any product that needs a manual to work is broken. There is silly notion that failure not an option at NASA. Failure is the option here. If things are not failing, you are not innovating enough. I think life on earth must be absolute more than just solving problem. It's going to be something inspiring, even it is vicarious. I think we are at the dawn of the new era in commercial space of exploration. Tesla is here to stay and keep fighting for the electric car revolution. Starting a business is not for everyone. Starting a business, I would say number one is have to have high pain threshold. I think we have a duty to maintain the light of the consequences to make sure it continues into the future. I say something and then it usually happens, maybe not on schedule, but it usually happens. I think it's very important to have a feedback loop where you are constantly thinking about what you have done and how you could be doing it better. When I was a child, there was one thing I said, I never want to be alone. That's what I would say. I don't want to be alone. Some people don't like change, but you need to embrace change if the alternative is disaster. I would rather be optimistic and wrong than pessimistic and right. I would like to die on Mars, just not an impact. Patience is virtue and I am learning patience. It's tough lesson. People should pursue what they are passionate about. That will make them happier than pretty much anything else. I think you should always bear in mind that entropy is not on your side. I think that's the single best piece of advice. Constantly think about how you could be doing things better and questioning yourself. Self-driving cars are the natural extension of active safety and obvious something we should do. Really, the one thing that makes sense is to strive for great collective enlightenment. When I was in college, I wanted to be involved in things that would change the world. Rockets are cool, there is no getting around that. When Henry Ford made cheap, reliable cars, people said, nah, what's wrong with his horse? That's a huge bet he made and it worked hard. I don't create companies for the sake of the creating companies, but to get things done. The factory is the machine that builds the machine. It is very important to like the people you work with, otherwise your job is going to be quite miserable. If I am not love, if I am not with a long-term companion, I cannot be happy. I think there should be regulation on social media to the degree that it negatively affects the public good. Land on Mars, a round trip ticket, $500,000, it can be done. If humanity does not land on Mars in my lifetime, I would be very disappointed. I am anti-tax, I am pro-carbon tax. I would not say I have a lack of fear. In fact, I would like my fear emotions to be less because it's very distracting and fries my nervous system. I don't spend my time pontificating about high concept things. I spend my time solving engineering and manufacturing problem.